bitch, I'm selling money, I be getting less. You motherfucker talk, get back, bro. Get on back, ho, what you gon' do? Slice that, go. I be going up with Diego. Something like that, get fuego. Cutting the money, I get it real low. And I'm smoking the paradise. Smoking the weed in the pounds of lies. Everybody wanna see my son. Oh, yeah, oh, we wanna realize. Now it's realist and traumatized. Rolls of time. And I make a motherfucker wanna eat the lines. And read the lines when I seek the flow. And I'm in for no one ain't denying. When I make me more, when I make me ride, when I get low. Rice the beans, fucking them up with broccoli. Ice machine, yeah, I got box G.
Smoking a pound of gas, get that shit and I get it back. Smoking pounds and I do it, I relax, ho. Get in the bag, ho. Smoking a tab in the lab, ho. I've been lapping figures with my nigga, fucking figure 9-6. Smoking on the broccoli, smoking potent fucking shifts. We've been making fucking rolls, we've been making fucking picks. You gon' get it high or low, I don't really fucking miss. But a motherfucker likes me, wanna talk to me with a Glock and beam. If I shoot threes, I ain't worried about the shit, man. I'ma believe fucking things that I've been fucking making. Fucking going up and I'ma pace it. I ain't worried about that shit, man. I'ma take it, get high and place it.
Last sip, take a fucking trip, motherfucker. Leave the high, then I sip up on that shit. I'm gonna cut it up, make it fucking nice. Smoking broccoli, I got that shit, I got it like rolling on the dice. Speaking my nines, ho, speaking the vine note. Getting the time low, I'm getting that high note. I'm getting the grind, smoking the doobies. I'm making my time, making it up, and I'm making my mind, making my lines like 3 sinks and binds, photo mines. Shooting the lines down the fold, down the rhyme. Shoot a motherfucker, won't nice me, won't cut up, slice me. I ain't worried, you a fuck.